Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love discovering awesome tech, today's video is for you. We're counting down the top 11 coolest gadgets you can buy right now on Amazon. From futuristic smart tools to fun everyday tech, you're going to want at least 5 of these. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get into it. 11. Lumex Lamp. The Lumex lamp is a stylish and functional lighting solution that combines modern design with practicality. Known for its sleek, minimalist aesthetic, Lumex lamps are perfect for any space, whether it's a living room, bedroom, or office. These lamps come in various designs, including the Beat Table lamp, which features a bold, contemporary shade that adds a touch of sophistication to any desk or side table, and the 5321 table lamp, which offers a refined and elegant look, suitable for both modern and traditional interiors. One of the standout features of Lumex lamps is their versatility. Many models come equipped with adjustable brightness settings, allowing users to tailor the light according to different needs, such as reading, working, or setting a relaxing mood. In addition, Lumex lamps utilize energy-efficient LED technology, ensuring long-lasting performance while minimizing energy consumption. The Nomad charging lamp is another example of innovation, functioning not only as a light source, but also as a charging station. 10. Remarkable 2 Paper Tablet. The Remarkable 2 Paper Tablet is a minimalist, distraction-free device designed for digital note-taking, sketching, and reading. With its 10.3-inch monochrome e-ink display, it closely mimics the feel of writing on paper, providing a tactile experience that appeals to users seeking to reduce screen time and enhance focus. Weighing just 403.5 grams and measuring 4.7 mm in thickness, the Remarkable 2 is marketed as the world's thinnest tablet. It features a dual-core ARM processor, 1 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of internal storage, sufficient for handling notes, PDFs, and ebooks. The device operates on a custom Linux-based OS called Codex, optimized for e-ink displays. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and USB-C for charging and data transfer. One of the standout features is its marker stylus, which offers 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt detection. 9. Tozo Hybrid Active Wireless Earbuds. The Tozo Hybrid Active Wireless Earbuds are a premium set of earphones designed to offer superior sound quality, comfort, and advanced features for an exceptional audio experience. These earbuds combine hybrid active noise cancellation (ANC) technology with high-quality sound drivers, ensuring that users enjoy crystal-clear audio and reduced environmental noise, even in noisy environments. The hybrid ANC feature intelligently adjusts to your surroundings, providing an immersive listening experience, whether you're at the gym, on a commute, or in a busy cafe. Designed with comfort in mind, the Tozo Hybrid Active Wireless Earbuds come with multiple ear tips to ensure a secure and comfortable fit for different ear shapes. The lightweight design makes them perfect for extended wear without causing discomfort. Additionally, these earbuds are equipped with an IPX6 water resistance rating, making them sweat and water resistant, ideal for intense workouts or outdoor activities. With a reliable Bluetooth 5.0 connection, the Tozo earbuds offer seamless pairing and stable connectivity to your devices. 8. Smart Yoga Mat. A smart yoga mat is an innovative piece of fitness equipment designed to enhance your yoga practice by integrating technology to provide real-time feedback and personalized guidance. These mats are equipped with sensors that track your movements, posture, and alignment during your sessions. By connecting to a smartphone app, the mat provides valuable insights and suggestions to help improve your form, increase flexibility, and prevent injuries. Some smart mats offer guided classes, allowing users to follow along with virtual instructors while receiving corrections on their positioning. In addition to real-time feedback, many smart yoga mats come with features like pressure-sensitive technology that detects the amount of force you're applying, helping you ensure even distribution during poses. These mats are often designed with durability and comfort in mind. 7. Soundcore Motion X500. The Anker Soundcore Motion X500 is a feature-rich Bluetooth speaker that delivers immersive spatial audio, robust build quality, and a user-friendly design. Priced around $169.99, it offers a compelling balance between performance and affordability. Crafted with a matte aluminum casing and an embossed Soundcore logo, the Motion X500 boasts an elegant yet rugged design. Its compact form factor, measuring 191 x 81 by 228 mm and weighing 2.11 kilograms, makes it portable enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The speaker features a fixed carrying handle for easy transport. Additionally, it is IPX7 waterproof, ensuring durability against rain and splashes. Equipped with a 40W output and a 6400 mAh battery, the Motion X500 delivers powerful sound with a frequency response range up to 40 kHz. It supports LDOC, SBC, AAC, Revolve Magnetic Rotating Tray Box. The Revolve Magnetic Rotating Tray Box is an innovative and functional storage solution designed to simplify organization and enhance accessibility. This sleek and modern tray features a rotating mechanism, making it incredibly easy to reach and access the items stored inside. The tray's magnetic base ensures that small metal objects stay securely in place, preventing them from shifting or falling out during rotation. Ideal for both home and office use, this versatile box can hold a variety of small items, such as jewelry, office supplies, and craft material, keeping them neatly organized and readily available. The rotating function of the tray offers a smooth, effortless turning action, allowing you to access all compartments with ease, without the need to dig through a cluttered drawer or box. This saves time and reduces frustration. 5. Mini projector for iPhone. A mini projector for iPhone is a compact and portable device designed to project images and videos from your iPhone onto larger surfaces, such as walls or screens. This type of projector is perfect for those who want to enjoy movies, presentations, or video content on a big screen without the need for bulky equipment or complex setups. Many mini projectors are designed with compatibility in mind, offering wireless connections via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, or through a simple cable connection, like Lightning or HDMI, to connect directly to the iPhone. The advantages of a mini projector for iPhone include its small size, ease of use, and convenience. It can be taken virtually anywhere, making it perfect for travel, outdoor movie nights, or impromptu presentations. The device typically offers a high-quality display with adjustable focus, ensuring that your images and videos are sharp and clear, even on large surfaces. Mini projectors for iPhones. 4. Smart camera lens. A smart camera lens is a cutting-edge accessory designed to enhance the functionality and performance of a camera, whether it's a smartphone or a traditional digital camera. These lenses incorporate advanced technology, such as autofocus, image stabilization, and built-in AI, to deliver superior image quality, flexibility, and convenience. With features like automatic scene recognition, facial detection, and real-time adjustments, a smart camera lens can make capturing professional quality photos and videos easier than ever. Many smart camera lenses are designed with interchangeable options, allowing users to attach different lens types depending on their specific needs. 3. Samsung Frame TV. The Samsung Frame TV is a premium lifestyle television that seamlessly blends art and technology, transforming your living space into a modern art gallery. When not in use, it displays over 1,600 pieces of artwork from renowned galleries and museums, including the Louvre and National Gallery of London. Additionally, users can upload their personal photos to create a customized gallery. Equipped with quantum dot technology, the Frame TV delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high contrast ratios. 2. Asus ZenBook Pro 14 Duo. The Asus ZenBook Pro 14 Duo is a powerful and innovative dual-screen laptop designed for creative professionals and multitaskers. It features a 14.5-inch 2.8K OLED main display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering stunning visuals with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and smooth motion. Just below the main screen sits the 12.7-inch ScreenPad Plus, a secondary touchscreen that enhances productivity by allowing users to manage multiple apps, tools, or timelines without switching windows. Powered by up to an Intel Core i9 processor. 1. Razer Kiyo Pro. The Razer Kiyo Pro is a high-performance webcam designed for content creators, streamers, and professionals seeking superior video quality. Equipped with a large Sony Starvis trademark 1/2 8 CMOS sensor and an f/2.0 aperture, it excels in low-light conditions, delivering clear and vibrant visuals even in dimly lit environments. This webcam supports uncompressed 1080p video at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and detailed footage for streaming or video conferencing. And there you have it, top 11 coolest gadgets you can buy right now on Amazon. Which one's going on your wish list? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more weekly tech finds. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.